Hey, what's up, vlog? Hey guys, another day, another dollar, and another vlog. Here we go. I got a setup today. Gonna be doing a club setup for the 8-hour job. A DJ setup. So gonna go get that setup right. So just before we do that, a prayer on one of my builds. It's homemade build. Monitors here, because I'm gonna use 4 of these for the setup. I'm gonna use 4 of these. I'll use one for a monitor, and I'll use 3 for the house, and I'm gonna bring 2 to 18 subs. Like I said, we got 2 repairs. We busted a horn too. I just figured that out. That was burned out a little while, I guess. I don't know why I didn't change it, but I got another one. I got a replacement. It's 800 watts crossover from Audio Pipe. They are basically the only outlet in the Bahamas. They carry a lot of stuff. So shout out to Audio Plus out there in Nassau. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here now. Like I said, I already opened it. This is the old one. I disconnected it. And you can see this is a problem here. I could switch that out, but what I did was I upgrade the speaker in this, and I believe that it cost it to burn out. I also got this from Audio Plus. This is a 1000-watt speaker in there, and I also upgraded the horn in there. But so why not just upgrade the crossover as well? This is the crossover I got. Audio Plus, Audio Pipe. All aftermarket. It's alright. I have them in all the other ones.
I wanna see you shake your bumper, shake your bumper, I wanna see it clap like thunder, make it clap, yeah. Clap like thunder, yeah. All sexy y'all, them wind up your waist. Sexy y'all, them give us a taste. Sexy y'all, them wind up your waist. Bumper, bumper. All sexy y'all, them wind up your waist. Sexy y'all, them give us a taste. Sexy y'all, them wind up your waist. Bumper, bumper. I wanna see you shake your bumper, shake your bumper. I wanna see it clap like thunder, clap like thunder.
Got the summer body like Lori, rockin' out different style, yeah. Bahari, swagged out Simba out here in the safari. Lauryn Hill, she be killing softly. Casablanca, Cold Corona, La Isla.
Alright, there we have it. So we got the main input coming from here on this one. And then I just jump it to here. Send it to this crossover here, input, and the little board thingy to do cross fuse there. You come here, you get the sub out, you get the horn out, go in there. There you have it.
Rev it up when I come on the weekend. Haters lurking and we not even speaking. She at my house and you still in the DM. new job, new career. Haters falling off. Alopecia, making all this cheese. Quesadilla, hop on this boat, baby, Santa Maria. Drop top in the summer, in the summer, in the summer. Switch lanes in a Honda, in the age. Slim thick like your mama. Do you speak the Alan grammar? Drop top in the summer, in the summer, in the summer. Is you from the Bahamas? Slim thick like your mama. Do you speak the Alan grammar? Drop top in the summer, in the summer, in the summer. Switch lanes in a Honda, in the age. Slim thick like your mama. Do you speak the Alan grammar? Drop top in the summer, in the summer, in the summer. Is you from the Bahamas? Slim thick like your mama. Do you speak the Alan grammar? Picture this, you would never think. Nope. Imagine being somewhere where the sand is pink. Some fried fish and a daiquiri drink. Yeah, baby, maybe we could link. Chillin' by the dock on the bay. I'ma be on the first flight right here today. Touch the road and party on one of the